Hi guys, this is Sunil and today we are going to start new session for user profile in Linux. Okay, so last in in previous session we have seen about user administration and the group administrations. So in user administration we have seen some called profile. Okay, so today we are going to start user profile in Linux in detail. So let's start. So user profile in Linux. Linux allow users environment to be created or maintained in two major ways. First is system wide and also it's called global. Okay, and next is user specific or personal configuration. So normally the basic method of working in Linux system is the shell, and the shell creates an environment depending on certain files it reads during its initialization after the successful user login. Okay, when the shell is invoked, there are certain initialization startup files it reads, which help to set up an environment for the shell itself and system user. Okay, so there are some called system wide startup files. What are those files? Those files are /etc profiles, /bashrc, and /etc.bashrc. Some system this is files /etc bash.bashrc, and in some of the system you can see /etc/bashrc. Okay, so these contain global configuration that apply to all user on the system. Okay, user second is user specific startup file. What are user specific startup files? So these files store configuration that apply to single user on the system and are normally located under home directory of any specific user, and these are called .bash profile, .bashrc, and .bash login. Okay, we will see this soon. What are these? .bash profile, what is .bashrc, what is bash underscore login. Shell can be invoked in three possible modes. First is interactive login shell. Second is interactive non-login shell. So let's see one by one. The shell is invoked after a user successfully login into the system using /bin/login. After reading credential stored in the file /etc passwd, as we see in the user creation etc passwd file, and there we see user and the mask password, right? So it will authenticate from the etc passwd file, and then when the shell is started as an interactive login shell, it reads the file /etc profile and its user specific equivalent slash bash underscore profile from the local home directory of the user. So this profile will be used local to the user, and etc slash profile it will come from global. Okay, so now interactive non-login shell, what is it? The shell is started at the command line using a shell program /bin/bash or /bin/sh. It can be started by running the /bin/su command as well. When the shell is started in this state, it copies the environment of parent shell and read the user specific .bashrc file. Okay, so whenever you do su command and ls-a, you will see bashrc underscore file under the local user home directory. Okay, now non-interactive shell, what is it? The shell is invoked when shell script is running. In this mode, it is processing a script set of shell or generic system commands and functions. It operates using the environment inherited from the parent cell. So there is in this environment it is generally used for the shell script, and shell script will use the all the all the arguments and operate, and it operates in the same environment like parent cell. System wide shell startup file. Shell startup files that stored configuration for all users on the system, and these include /etc profile. This file stores system-wide environment configuration and startup program. So this file is mainly used for startup programs for login setup. So all configuration that you want to apply to all system users environment should be added in this file. Okay, and this is the global file and it applicable for all the users. For example, you can set your global path environment variable here. So whatever the global path in environment we want to set, variable you want to set, just mention inside etc profile file. Next is /etc bash rc or /etc bash.rc. Bash.bashrc file contains system-wide function and aliases including other configuration that apply to all system user. Okay, cat/etc, this is the file, you can read like this. Next, user specific shell startup file. Store configuration for particular user on the system. They are located in a user's home directory and they include, if you go into user's home directory and if you will do ls-la, you can see all the files. Okay, next, the bash profile file, .bash profile file, and this is the local for the specific user. This store user specific environment and startup program configuration. You can set your custom path environment variable here. Okay, and you can read this file by cat bash.profile. Second, bash rc file. This file store user specific aliases and function. So whenever you log in into the user, this file store user specific aliases and functions. So those functions and aliases you can use once you log in into the cell. Second, bash underscore login file. So this file will execute when you will log in. It contains a specific configuration that are normally only executed when you log in into system. When the .bash profile is absent. Okay, so this file will be executed if bash underscore profile will be absent in the system. Second, .profile file. What is this? This file is ready in absence of bash underscore profile and bash underscore login. It can be stored the same configuration which can also be accessible by other cell on the system. Okay, now bash underscore history. Bash maintains a history of commands that have been entered by the user on the system. So you can check this by history command. So whatever history command will give the output, that will be stored inside bash underscore history. Okay, next, bash underscore logout file. What is this? It is not used for shell startup but store all the specific instructions, user specific instructions for the logout procedure. It is read and executed when a user exits or log out from an interactive login cell. Example, clearing the terminal window upon logout. So you can see this file by cat.bash underscore logout. Okay, so let's see how we can see in our Linux terminal. So if you log in any user here, so let's see, this is login as a root. So here if you do ls-la So here you can see bash history, bash logout, bash profile, bash rc, right, and bash history. So these are the global, these are applicable for root user only. Okay, and you can see cat slash etc bash. You can see here bash rc, this is for global. Okay, now login into some user. I have Mohan in my system. If you go here, do ls-la. So these are user specific profile. Okay, called bash underscore history, bash underscore logout, bash underscore profile, bash.rc. So as soon as you will log in into the system, bash rc file will be executed when you log in into user into the system. So let's see one by one. This is bash rc. Okay, cat dot bash rc. So this is the file. Okay, let's see how we can use this file. So this file will be execute when we log in into the system first. Okay, so let me show you one example. If I log in into this file bash dot, let's, I'm entering into the file rc, and I do echo hi, welcome to Linux. Okay, from bash rc. Okay, save. Now I am logging out from this user and log in again and see. So you can see this message, right? Hi, welcome to Linux from bash rc. So as soon as you will log in into the system by any user id, so bash rc will be executed and it will show you like this. Suppose that you want to use any aliases, right, or you want to use any variable. Let's say I put your name equals to Sunil. Okay, sorry, I cannot give this space here. Now if I want to use this variable, I can use name, right? So I can use this variable. But if I logged out once from the system and log in again, and let's use the same, but I do not have variable name equals to Sunil Patel, right? So I cannot use this variable name, as it will be at it, once you will log out from the cell you will lose the data. So what you can do here, you can create one sample file. I already have here. You can see source file. Let to cat source file. So I have mentioned here name equals to Sunil, location equals to India, and city equals to New Delhi. Okay, if I do source, there is a one command in Linux, a source and the file name which you want to source. So inside this file these are the variables. Now I can use these variables. Let's see name. So now I am able to see the name. Instead of name I can use city. Okay, New Delhi, and location, it's India. But once I will log out from the system, I will lose all these things as I log out from the bash. Okay, from bash means cell. Now I logged in again. If I want to use the same variable again, these are lost, right? So what you can do, you can mention this inside the bash rc file. So whenever you will log in into the system, these these variables will be automatically sourced and be ready for you to use. So let's see how to do that. vi dot bash rc. So if you go here and add one more line, source, and then slash home, path to the file mohan source underscore file, right? Okay, once I will log out from the mohan, log out. Okay, now log in again. Now used any variable. Now you are able to use the variables because it is executed from bash rc source. The file is get sourced from the bash rc file when we log in into the system by that particular user, right? So you got it, what is the use of bash rc, right? Now we will see the next file that is called we will see logout. So vi dot bash underscore logout. So this file will be executed when you will log out from the cell. Let's go inside this one and do something. Just so for understanding purpose, I am printing echo by I am leaving for the day. See you soon. Okay, just sleep for 5 seconds. So now see how it will work. Once you log out, let's log out from this user. So here you can see, bye, I am leaving for the day, see you soon, right? So this bash underscore logout file is executed. Now log in again. I want to see you the log. Okay, so now go in profile, bash profile, and you could put here, I will print echo, hi, I'm Sunil and I'm back. I'm back on work and I'm back. Okay, now save it and log out. Bye, I'm leaving for the day, see you soon, right? Now log in again. Now you can see this, hi, sorry I missed that, I am Sunil, it should be, but it printed I Sunil and I am back. Okay, so you got it how this file get executed. Now we will understand about bash history. So you can check this bash underscore history. So these are all the commands which I executed. So if you want to see these commands, there is a command called history. Okay, so it will show you all the commands which I executed. It will store all the commands. Alright, so this is all about the user profiles. So we have seen all use cases what we can do, right? So thanks for watching my videos. If you like my videos, please like it, subscribe it and share to your friends. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.